Kablay pi baro kini gilong ki khubor bamta ka Sngi. Ka election MDC jum ki artali ki ADC but ka jing Thep vote ha ke HADC hadu ka por live ji janmin kalong 100% kat bahaje HADC kalong 9%. Henry ka don ka way ka jing jia bompai perkhat ha East Jante Hill District don ka tu ka ne ki Jingklumar na ka banta ka jing Thep vote ha Jante Hills Autonomous District Council JHADC. Khamtam ha East Jante Hills kat kum ka kai phot na Deputy Commissioner but returning officer ha ki artali ki constituency but southly ki jaka Thep vote polling station. Ha ka balaya thu baki patbur ki ba omla ban ithu ki la penjulor ya ki machine EVM habaro artali ki jaka Thep vote. Ya ka tay laya thu da Commissioner Secretary ka District Council Affairs uba Zyril Viding do. Kat ba ha ki HADC ka jing Thep vote ka yat bet but kamdon kanu ka Jingklumar. Commissioner Secretary ke District Council Affairs uba Zyril Viding do ula pentip bagi labatha ban Thep vote biang ha ke Sngi satjan kata ha ka arfu artrik rempang arhajar arpsan na do kapor nyogaji men step hadu sawaji janmin na ka benta ki artli ki jaka Thep vote ki bahap hapo ka musniang rangat constituency kata ha wapung skur A but wapung skur B ha ki artli ki jaka Thep vote ki bahap ha batau la kadong constituency Pat kilong kabatau A, bat kabatau B.
We are, because of the interest of time, because we need to announce the repoll immediately because it's happening tomorrow. All steps are being taken to, ensure the safety and security of all polling parties, that all of them return safely. Number one, that in these 4 polling stations where this EVMs were damaged, that polling parties are safe. And to ensure that the DC takes steps with the SP to ensure that tomorrow people are aware that the poll is happening, and through the press we want you to disseminate this information that repoll has been ordered and repoll will happen, so that people can come out and vote tomorrow. These are the urgent priorities given the nature of the time that we have. So we are prioritizing these things. Rest, as per the procedure of law, things will follow. Security forces are there, but when there's a big group or an unidentified group of people, right? At that moment, no one expects violence, correct? No one expects this to happen. These are rare incidences, but the rules allow for such an event to occur. If it occurs, there's a clear path forward. The rule says that in case an EVM is damaged, a repoll should be ordered. And in the fair elections, the government has ordered a repoll so that the steps can be taken immediately because the repoll will happen tomorrow at 7 a.m. It is 70%. Violence has happened. Now the report has been received. What is the exact reason, what has led this mob to come and do the violence? That, of course, we will need further inquiry and further reports.
So security
as of now, because of the damage to EVM, the rules allow us to have a repoll. There's a specific rule 143B. So if there's a violence and there's damage to EVM, we have ordered repoll in the interest of free and fair elections, and the repoll will happen tomorrow. But see, the security personnel are present, but this was, a group of a mob, right? So, the mob has overwhelmed them, and in fact, the polling parties also were rushed to the, nearest medical center because they also, got afraid, etc. So the district administration is taking due care. There is no report of any injury to anyone. All people are safe, except that the EVM has been damaged. We have ordered a repoll in the interest of free and fair elections.
What about the preparation for tomorrow on security business?
The counting personnel by the respective DCs and ROs. The counting centers have also been notified. Just as a summary, so that some of you are aware, I have briefed, but I'll again repeat. So for the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, for East Khasi Hills District, there will be 3 counting centers. SDO Civil Sora Office for Sora Civil Subdivision. For Pirnusla Civil Subdivision, the SDO Civil Office in Pirnusla. And for East Khasi Hills District, those constituencies falling under East Khasi Hills District, it will be an ISBT Maulai. Rest of the counting centers are the existing counting centers that are DC office, etc. in all the other locations.
But one more thing.
Conducted by Election Commission of India.
Yeah.
The elections for district council are conducted under the Assam and Meghalaya Constitution of District Council Rules 1951 as amended from time to time. So this provision has not been incorporated yet, the one you're mentioning. Therefore, we are following, as per the rules. Councils and then approved by the governor. So it doesn't automatically apply all the rules of the ECI.
And we have seen
VVPAT. The rules only mention control unit and ballot unit. Because we have to go by the district council rules, not the ECI rules. These are district council elections.
Yeah, these are the things people should know.
Yes, so it's good you asked. I'm happy to tell also. That's why. And this information has been shared with political parties by the DC's ROs. People are aware. They were not expecting VVPAT to be used in this. Right.